Guys, I think there's a GTR behind me. Starting the vlog off on the freeway. But there's a GTR, I think. I think those are GTR headlights. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna see if he gets next to me. Oh, I knew it! Oh! I knew it was GTR headlights. I freaking love GTRs, bro. The headlights, the taillights, everything about these cars are perfect. Polished T37s, bro. That's the homie. I always see this car everywhere, bro. So clean, bro. What's up, guys? We're watching another video. We're on the way to a Carmeet right now. There's Jimmy in the R32. We got an R35 with us. The homie Jose. What car is this? BMW? Oh shit, it's the E92. E93 actually, it's a convertible. Bro, I need to upgrade my camera, guys. I don't like filming at night anymore. I feel like my quality is so bad. Look at that thing, guys. That V8. Anyways, we out here with all the homies. We're going to a Carmeet tonight in LA. Huge Carmeet. I already know it's gonna be big. Probably a lot of cops. I've been to this parking structure before in a vlog. But last time we were there was a police helicopter in the air and like 20 cop cars, bro. So probably gonna see some cops today. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. I've been having like a bad feeling, bro, that I'm gonna get pulled over. I don't know why, but it's been freaking me out to go to any car event now. Because I'm just so scared to get pulled over and get like a state rep or something really bad, like a really bad ticket. So fingers crossed, hopefully we don't get a ticket today. Let's go check out this Carmeet. It should be lit and a lot of sick content for you guys. Oh, and if you guys are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for me. We're back, guys. I'm trying to put more content for you guys. The homie Hugo's moving down here in like 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. A lot of content is coming, bro, I promise. Still have not visited the new LA bridge. It's been all over the internet, but I still have not been on it, bro. I don't know how. We definitely gotta make a vlog going to the new LA bridge, even though I'm like a month late already. But there's downtown LA. So sick. I've always loved downtown LA, bro. If you guys have been to downtown LA, it's not the nicest area, but I just love the buildings. They just look so sick. Alright, we made it. We had a sick ass McLaren. This might be my homie's new car. I think that's him. We got the whole FRS gang out here. Damn, there's a lot of them. G80? G82. Hard. This is crazy, bro. The meet just started at 10 o'clock and there's already a bunch of sick cars, bro. Hello, sir.
What's up, man?
How are you? What's up, bro? How's it going? How's it going?
I found Nick.
Oh, Chessie's dog. Made it, guys. Look, that roof on the GTR out. There's so many GTRs out here, bro.
Yeah, it's GTR takeover right now.
Yeah, there's actually a lot of GTRs.
They heard Dan was coming. They were like, all right, I gotta be fast enough. Yeah, they heard I was coming, so they're like, oh my god, Dan's coming.
There's no way, bro. This food, Dan. I don't know.
What do you mean? Look at that camera. Bro, why would you hire a girl to model your car when you can fucking have?
Well, we got Dan Rue to do it. Sheesh. This is the homie that we were cruising with. Chrome T37s, bro. Look at that merch, guys. Damn. Yeah, guys, we got hella GTRs. We got Dan's, mine, the homie Brian's, all the homies' cars. This one's sick, bro. I seen this one at the last meet, if you guys remember. Satin black. I don't think he had the carbon hood at the time, but carbon hood looks sick. But Jimmy's here. I don't know where Jimmy's at. I lost him. GT3? Damn.
Right here next to the GTR.
Sick. This is like a GTR Carmeet, honestly. Look how many GTRs there are, guys. R35, R35. Oh, shit. Look, another GTR. This is the wide body one, Pandem kit. Or Rocket Bunny kit, I don't know. Looks sick though. I've seen this one before too. I wonder what happened to his front bumper. This one's pretty crazy, bro. Another wide body one. This is also one of the homies. Sick, dude. This shit spits crazy flames. You guys have probably seen it in my vlogs before. Crazy flames. Like flames that go out that much. Shelby? A snack or will it get me? Probably got me. McLaren. There's so many supercars here, bro. Damn, that shit sounds sick. I'm not gonna lie, McLarens do sound good when they're done up like that. What's up, bro? How are you? Good. Oh, F80. That is clean in red. Bro, look at this. There's a cop coming up here. Oh no. If I was this guy, I would be so scared. Cops just following me up all the way. Oh. What do you guys think the cop's gonna say? Uh-oh. That's the best car here, bro.
You roll up, man. You bring the cops with
I know.
you, man.
Honestly, I'm scared. He's looking for me.
I told him that
my
there's
timbers are shivering.
I told him that he's got to find Nick.
That's what he's trying to do right now. Look, guys, the homie gave me a sticker of his car. That's sick. We got some of my GTR too if you guys want one. I'll leave the link down below. ShopFindingNick.com. We got little GTR stickers like this. Damn, guys, look what it is. F80. Those cars will never get old. And then of course we got Dan Rue's car. I haven't showed it yet, but Dan Rue's GTR looking clean. You guys really liked this car when I showed it in the last video. Me too, bro. 1700 horsepower GTR with some sick ass wheels on it. Oh, now the cops are pulling up, guys. I didn't they just block us in right here? That'll be all bad. Oh,
Come on, please.
You're on YouTube, right, bro?
what's up, bro? How's it
Watch
going?
you, bro.
Thank you, man.
All right. Sounds good. You got the GTR, right?
I got it,
Dude,
bro.
I used to watch your videos. You
Really?
have an R8 too, right?
I don't have an R8. I wish I did. I want an R8. I like this though.
It's all right.
I'll trade you my GTR. There's no way he started it right next to the cop. The cop seemed chill. Oh my god, this dude's crazy. She just told him not to park right here, so I don't know, maybe she's chill.
These guys. Oh, this is a new one.
God damn, bro. Look how wide this 350Z is, guys. How is it that wide? God damn, bro. That shit is crazy. Alright guys, we're all out. We're about to go on a little cruise now. But it's ridiculously loud in this parking structure, bro. Damn, look at all the cops. Alright guys, we just made it over here. This is like the meetup spot. From here, everyone's gonna cruise down to Long Beach. It's gonna be a crazy drive. So many sick ass cars like McLaren. This crazy ass Huracan. Pretty sick. The rap's a little crazy. The homie's R8.
Where you been?
What's up? How are you? Guys, we're at the gas station, right? There's freaking tanks here, bro.
In front of the white and
There's literally 2 tanks. This is the weirdest gas station I've ever seen. Feels like we're in GTA, y'all. Oh! Yeah, what are you doing, bro?
Get the freaking dude.
This food's in the middle of the street. Oh, that's that crazy ass Lambo. I've been seeing this thing everywhere, bro. This dude takes it to every Carmeet now. This shit's insane, bro.
Yeah, man, that's right. He's here. You wanna know why? Because it all started from Army.
I know, that is. Ever since then, bro, I've seen it at every Carmeet,
Dude,
bro.
he literally DMs me like every night. That's what he means.
I'll never get over how crazy this Lambo is, guys. 2JZ, 1,000 horsepower Lambo. And it always breaks everybody's neck. Like, it's literally the crowd favorite right here. Craziest car ever. If you guys have not seen it in any of my vlogs, I've seen it at every Carmeet, bro. There's no way, bro. This is insane, bro. Oh my god, there's so many cops. This is insane, bro. There's so many. You, bro. Bro, this has to be one of the craziest car meets I have ever been to, bro. There's a ridiculous amount of cars and a ridiculous amount of cops.
We want to show you a look at this scene in West LA. Early this morning, hundreds of people gathered at a gas station convenience store. Police say that it was about to start. They were about to start an illegal street takeover there. This is what it looked like at midnight at the intersection of Shutdown and National Boulevard. The LAPD arrived, though, just in time to break up the crowd before any takeover actually got started.
Guys, look at this shit. I finally caught up to it. I heard it shoots crazy playing. Hey guys, we just got done eating In-N-Out. The car meet's coming to an end. There's a few cars in this parking lot. Motorcycle just left. Everyone's already heading out, but that was a crazy cruise. We went from one meet to the gas station meetup. Anyways, we out here. The meet's ending. We got a long drive home. But yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Not sure if it was a long video or a short video. Not sure if it was a cool video or not, but let me know if you liked it. Smash the like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see it.